Now, in order to understand this sum and product of roots, we need to first understand this equation. I always start with something you know. I never teach you something you don't know. Okay? Nigel, look at this equation. Can you solve for x? Do it now. Everyone do now. I pause the video. You do now. Can you solve for x? Press what? X minus 3, x plus 1. Ready? Change your color to red. These two things are called solution of the equation. Can you write that down? I go to the theory first. Don't want to write. One. Don't want to write. Okay. Now, solution of the equation. So this is something new, so I need you all to really write it down. Another word of solution is actually called the R word. Roots. Roots. So now when I say roots, what do I refer to? I refer to the x value. What is the x value? Can you follow so far? So now you understand the word roots, not the plant root, that root. Okay. So if I say these are the roots, can you do a reverse? Vice. Kunj, can you do a reverse? So how do I write? So I try. If I reverse, that means I want to try and get back the equation. Alright? By right is 1, 2, 3. Do you follow the 1, 2, 3? Step 1, step 2, step 3, right? Now I give you step 3. So can you write down x equals to 2 or x equals to 5? Can you write that down? X equals to 2, x equals to 5. Zahira, can you tell me the step 2? What will you do? The reverse way, the Ghostan way. X minus 2. Very good. Can you write that down? X minus 2, x minus 5 equals 0. Jinyang, can you go back one more way, one more step to tell me the equation? The reverse step. What will you write? Expand. Can you expand for me? X squared minus hurry up. X squared minus by x minus 2x plus 10. Can you simplify it? X squared minus 7x plus 10 equals 0. Hashtag. In this exam, this is worth 2 marks. Just like that. I don't know. How I get step 1? Expand. Can you write down? Expansion. Expansion. So like that, like that, like that, like that. Tiffany, okay? Okay. Done. Okay, I'm going to translate these two sentences. I'm going to translate these two sentences into medical terms. So can you help me? Ax squared plus b. As I write, you write, so that you can move faster. As I write, you write. So I'm going to translate these two sentences into mathematical terms. Do you know what does the next one mean? Alpha and beta. So highlight the word alpha and beta are the two roots. Do you know what does this mean? What's the value of x? Alpha. This symbol from today on is called alpha. How to draw here? I don't know. From top, swing down, go up, go down. Like a fish without the last tail, closing tail. This is alpha. Now, then you say what? The beta is also the roots. Right or not? You see? Right or not? The beta is also the roots. So it's like alpha and beta. Now, what if I go one more step? What will happen? X minus alpha, x minus beta equals 0. Why? Remember, this is step 3. I bring like to the left side, it become minus. I bring to the left side become minus. So are you familiar with these two friends, alpha and beta? Okay now? Up to now, I haven't tell you what I want. I just introduce you what is alpha beta. So you don't know what is going on, still normal. You just know alpha beta are called the roots. Okay? Okay. Let's go to the next one. Now, pair work, but no time. Can we do class work together? Can, Number one. If I look at this equation, can you tell me A, B, and C? What is A? 1. Good. What is B? 4. What is C? 3. Can you write that down? 1, 4, 3. Roots, which is a solution. I don't know. Oh, actually I know. How to find the roots? Mode 3, 3. Forget about working. Can you mode 3, 3D? Sorry. And tell me the roots. Rachel? Hey, press. Don't wait. You what? Negative 1 and 3. Can you write down? Negative 1, negative 3. What is the sum of roots? That means I go and take these two numbers, I add together. What do you get? Very good. What about the product of root? I take this number, I multiply together. What do I get? 3. Now what is this? B over A. Oh, that means I take the value of B, which is 4. I take the value of A, which is 1. So I take 4 divided by 1. What's the answer? 4. C is equal to 3. I take C over A, 3. B is 4. B is 4. A is 1. Right? So I take 4 over 1, I get. Then I take C over A, I get 3. As of now, this number looks meaningless, like some total number like that. But never mind. Can we skip the second one? No. Can you do the second one and skip the third one? 4 over 3. 1 over 3. Negative 4 over 3. 1 over 3. Don't bother. Now, let's do part 2 together. I'm not recording. Alright. This one you just do at home. Okay, everyone on the board. I want you to deduce a formula of alpha plus beta. Can you write down? Alpha plus beta. Are you following me? Are you following me? Yes. Alpha plus beta equals. Now, I strain down a bit. This is Matthew. Stop talking. Matthew. Now, alpha plus beta. Can you highlight yellow? Can you highlight the negative 4? Can you tell me this negative 4 look like which number? B over A. Again, this negative 4 look like which number? B over A. So can you take yellow or a color and highlight and color the whole box? Look at the second example. If I have 4 over 3, it looks like which number born? 4 over 3. Can you write down? 4 over 3 seems to be 4 over 3. However, there's a sign. So when this is minus, A is plus. When this is plus, A is minus. So what can you say about alpha plus beta? Can you give a general formula? Rachel? It seems like alpha plus beta is equal to B over A. But with a sign that. Yeah, so alpha plus beta is equal to what? Plus minus? No. Minus. Right? It seems like minus, right? So it seems like this is just negative of B over A. Who don't understand? Really, please raise your hand. For your friends who are not here, please help them ask questions. Huh? How to what? Really ask, please. Oh, ask for them. Like you don't understand, you ask for them. If they are question actually, they watch the video, they also don't understand. No question, All can understand? Thank you. Isabel, try this one. I change another color. Now I'm interested in green. I'm interested in alpha, beta, so-called the product of roots. And I'm looking at product of roots. And no choice, I look at the last column. This is 3. This is 3. This is 1/3. This is 1/3. What does it mean? Very good. Can you write that down? Alpha beta equals to C over A. Now I say 1. This is Isabel say 1. And it is correct. So far okay? Can Now, let's try and put some example. Now, I look at example 3. Can I do it this? Can I zoom in so easy for you to see? Can you use a red pen and box this up? And write down NEM. Can you box this up? And write down memorize. Because if you don't memorize, you have to do that stupid table again. Go and list all the number and find the commonality. And it will waste you about 15 minutes of your time. So please memorize. Now, let's answer question 4 together. Now I want to solve. Can you help me solve? So now we are at question 4. Can you help me solve? Solve by telling me what is A. Irfan? 1. What is B? 4. What is C? Can you mode 3, 3 for me? Tell me straight away what's the answer. Kunch, done. What is X? Oh, not done. 1, -5. Thank you. Now, let's try and compare. Let's try and compare whether same or not. Let's try and compare. Let's see. If I take alpha plus beta, what is alpha actually? Spot on. I see who can answer me. What's the value of alpha? 1. Very good. What's the value of beta? 35. So we say that alpha plus beta actually is 1 minus 5. What's the answer? -4. Because on first page, good question, you better ask for your friends. On first page, we say that alpha is actually the value of x, the root. Remember? We say that beta is actually the value of the root. Do you see that? Do you see that? Wrong. Highlighter. Do you see that? Alpha is the root, beta is the root. So now I say, alpha and beta is actually 1 minus 5 equals -4. Did you understand or not? No, which part don't understand? Because 1 is the alpha value. Just now I use the symbol alpha. I say x is equals to alpha. Do you remember just now? I write down what I write. Just now I write down x is equals to alpha. Maybe you want to write that down, Jingfeng. X is equals to alpha. X is equals to beta. Remember? Just now in the first page I write. For any equation, x is always got 1 alpha, x got 1 beta. Remember? Which one? This one, okay, I haven't come to red color box. But first, do you understand? Okay, the red color box, I'm going to come to it. Do you understand this alpha and beta thing? Can. Do you understand this one already? Yeah. Now I want to test. I want to test whether Rachel is correct or not. Can you help me test? Write a test there. Just now Rachel says alpha plus beta is equal to negative b over a. Remember what Rachel said? Before, just now Rachel said this, right? Rachel concluded alpha plus beta is equal to negative b over a. Then we try whether Rachel is correct or not. B is what value? 4. A is 1. So that means if I am Rachel, I will put negative 4 over 1. Is it equal to negative 4? Same that means Rachel correct. Rachel good, right? Oh, okay. You don't answer. Okay, never mind, it's okay. Now let's go on to the next one. Now, Jingfeng again, because you got these big eyes, I cannot stand. Jingfeng, alpha plus beta, based on this, what will you do? Alpha and beta multiply. What will I do to the 1 and 5? Negative 5 times. What is the answer? Can you write that down? What's the answer? Negative 5. Now, let's try and test. Who said just now? Is it Tiffany or Isabel? Isabel, right? Isabel said something. Isabel said, by her observation, alpha beta is actually equals to what over what? C over A. Let's try whether Isabel is correct or not. What is C? Negative 5. What is A? 1. What is the answer? Correct leh. Isabel also correct. Good, right? So now I say that we conclude alpha beta is equal to C over A. Alpha plus beta is equal to B over A. Oh, okay now? Okay, as of now, all of you still don't know what we are doing. We are just proving. We concluded these two, but we don't know what we are doing. Can I show you what we will be doing? Can I show you? Can I? Now turn to the next page. So conclusion. What is conclusion? Can you help me? Alpha plus beta equals to what, Gerald? Thank you. What about alpha beta? C over A. Okay. Start. Now the question. This will be 1 mark. Just 2 marks. Okay. Now let's see what's going to happen. First, I look at this equation. What is the first instinct to do? What's the first instinct to do? You want to solve for x. Can you write this and put down wrong? Jinyang, can you write down solve for x, right, wrong? Write down, do not solve for x. That means this kind of question, they are not interested in the value of x. I repeat, this kind of question, they are not interested in the value of x. And Jiaxuan asked a very good question. How I know? Can you highlight the question? The question says, find the sum and product of roots. Did they say find the roots? No. So never go and find root. If you find root, that means you do the wrong one already. If they wanted to find the root, what would they say? Solve the equation. Then you find for x. But if they say find the sum and product of roots, don't go and find what is the x equal to, no need. Then how? How do we know if I don't find the roots? How? Xunyang? Jiayan, what will I do? Now I don't know what is x, How do I know what is alpha plus beta? How? I cannot solve. I solved wrong already. A, B, C. So what is alpha plus beta? Very good. Can you write down? Alpha plus beta, if I don't want to solve for x, I got a shortcut. It's just negative b over a. Make sense or not? I don't know what is alpha, but I don't care. And what is alpha times beta? C over a. Understand now? So I'm not interested in the value of x. I'm interested in what is the sum and product. Can you write down ABC? 1, Very good. Can you write down the value? Very good. Very good. Hashtag. 2 marks. Easy or not? Super easy. Pause. Very good. Bring 5 over. Can you pause and write this down? Can you pause and write this down in red because it's so important? You need to expand. You need to make sure the right hand. Nigel, what's the answer for sum of roots? Two over 5. What is the product of roots? 5. Who got different answer? Oh, Nigel, I'm going to expand this. Can you tell me expand get what? Expand again. Bring this over. Nigel, what is A? 1. What is B? What is C? Write down. Alpha plus beta equals to negative B over A. Negative 2 over 1. Now, you fail because you didn't write this. Am I correct? See? Then why still wrong? Alba, that means you never memorize the thing lah. They sweet lah you. What is alpha beta, guys? C over A. Negative 5 over 1. So vice is correct. Negative 5 and negative 2. Oh, negative, negative 2. Well done. So it's positive 2. Am I correct? Thank you. Well done. See, you spot teacher mistake. You're better than teacher. Right? Join teaching. Can? Do C now. Do D now. Matthew? C complete a square? No. No completing the square, please. Everyone follow me. 2t square plus 0t minus 5 equals 0. Wow. Mind blown, right? A equal what? Rachel? 2. B equal what? Kosong. C equal what? Yeah, continue. Right. Everyone check your answer. For B, the answer is this. So alpha plus beta is 2 and negative 5. If not correct, check this. For C, the secret is there is no T. So B is equal to 0. Check that the two answer is this. For D, no need. You just write down A equals to K. B equals to negative 2, C equals to 1. Then you get this. Right.